Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the same topic, section formula from your textbook. Question number 14. I will read the question for you. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line joining A -3 0 and B 6 6. The question is, find the point of trisection. Here A and B are the two endpoints and -3 0 and 6 6 are the endpoints A and B. Our aim is to trisect. What's the meaning? Trisect divided by 3. Look here. Here P and Q are the trisection point. Look here. AP one part, PQ second part and QB the third part. Understand? Our aim is to find the coordinate of P. To find the coordinate of P, that P divides this AB in the ratio 1:2. In this side only one part and in the other side that is two parts. Therefore, that P divides AB in which ratio? 1:2. Now we know that the formula to find P is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Just substitute m means 1, 1 into x2 means 6 plus 2 into -3 by m plus n, 1 plus 2 that is 3. Then my2, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2, 3. 1 6 are 6 minus 6. What is 6 minus 6? 0. 0 the first point and the second point is 6 by 3. 2 into 0, 0. Therefore 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore the answer is 0, 2. Understand? To find the point P, that P divides that line segment in which ratio? In the ratio 1:2. To find the point Q, how can you take the ratio? Q means the first part is 2 and the second part is 1. When you find the point Q, that Q divides the first part 2 and the second part 1. Therefore, 2 into 6 plus 1 into -3 by 3. And next one is 2 into 6 plus 1 into 0 by 3. Understand? Here 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 3 is, what is 12 minus 3? 9. 9 by 3 is 3. And here 2 into 6 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. Therefore, what is the point Q? Q is equal to 3, 4. Now, we can do the remaining problems as homework. And one more question, that is question number 25. Question number 25. Given a line segment AB joining the points A -4 6. That's the point A. A is -4 6 and B is, read the question. B is 8 to -3. 8 -3. The first part is, find the ratio in which AB divided by the y-axis. This is a repetition of the first part. That means first question. Understand? Look here. By y-axis. What is the meaning? Y-axis means x is equal to 0. It's a board exam question. X equal to 0. X means mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n equal to 0. And again we know that let the ratio be k is to 1. Always take let the ratio be k is to 1. In some textbook it is m1 is to m2. Anyway, here the easy method is take ratio k is to 1. Now what is k? K into x2. x2 means 8 plus 1 into minus 4 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. 8k minus 4 equal to 0. 8k equal to 4. Then k is equal to 4 by 8. What is 4 by 8? 1 by 2, or the ratio is 1 is to 2. The ratio is 1 is to 2. What's the second part? The second part is find the coordinates of the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection means you have to find the point y. What's the formula? Point y means here we know that the ratio is 1 is to 2. Therefore, to find the point y, young y2, 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 6 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 3, 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? 9. 9 by 3 is 3. Therefore, point of intersection is first answer 0, 3. The point of intersection is 0, 3. Understand? The next question is find the length of AB means here in this here no distance formula, that is therefore here only part 1 and 2. Understand? Now next topic is midpoint formula. What's the next topic? Midpoint formula. That means in section formula we know that this is a subheading of the first part. Here in the previous problems we take P in the ratio m is to n. Understand? That means you can mark P anywhere on that line segment. But here our aim is to find the midpoint. P lies in the midpoint A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 be any 2 points, and P is in the midpoint means if AP equal to 1, BP is also 1. If AP equal to 2, BP is also 2. Therefore, the formula to find the midpoint P is x1 plus x2 by 2. What's the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Repeat. What's midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. We can write one example. Find the midpoint of A 3, 5 and B 7, 9. 7, 9. Then what is midpoint P equal to? You can mark here x1, y1 and the second one as x2, y2. Then what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 by 2, comma, 5 plus 9 by 2. What is 7 plus 3? 10 by 2. What is 10 by 2? 5. 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, 7. Therefore, what is the answer? 5, 7. Then, from your textbook, I will give the first question. A minus 6, 7. By that question, A minus 6, 7 and 3, 5. B 3, 5. Then, say the answer P is equal to minus 6 plus 3 by 2. What is minus 6 plus 3 by 2? Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 3 by 2. Then 7 plus 5 by 2. What is 7 plus 5? 12 by 2, 6. Understand? Next. Then second question. Points A and B have coordinates 3, 5 and second question. A and B have coordinates 3, 5 and xy. A is the point 3, 5 and B is the point xy. What is given here? Here given The midpoint is 2, 3. What is given? The midpoint P is 2, 3. Now, answer is given. Find the other end. Now, what is the formula midpoint? 3 plus x by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. That is equal to the answer 2, 3. Now, equating the x coordinates, you will get 3 plus x by 2 equal to 2 and 5 plus y by 2 equal to 3. From that, cross multiplication, 3 plus x equal to 4, x is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Same way, 5 plus y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 minus 5, 1. Therefore, how can you write? Write the answer. B is the question. B is xy means the answer is 1, 1. Understand?